Welcome back, travel fans and trip planners. In this video, we will review the Hollywood Hotel at Hong Kong Disneyland. We will show you the lobby, room, pool, all the food options, and share our final thoughts. Then we will do a walking tour around the entire resort. Let's get lost in this magical hotel! The lobby offers a captivating blend of elegance and modern Disney charm. Following a big renovation completed in 2023, the space has been revitalized to immerse guests in the glamour of Hollywood's golden age. The ambience is further enhanced with upbeat renditions of classic Disney songs, creating a lively yet sophisticated atmosphere. The gift shop is located nearby, offering a range of Disney-themed merchandise for guests to explore. Our check-in process was quick and easy. You can also purchase your Disneyland Park passes here. The resort offers rooms that blend classic Hollywood glamour with beloved Disney themes, providing a comfortable experience for guests. The rooms have playful Disney touches, featuring artwork and design elements inspired by Mickey Mouse and his friends. The decor combines film and art, immersing guests in the magic of Disney storytelling. If you are facing the Disneyland park, you may be able to see fireworks from your room at nighttime, which was really nice. The pool at the resort is a standout feature, which is shaped like a grand piano. The zero-depth entry allows guests of all ages to enter comfortably, making it specially suitable for families with young children. The pool also features a 28-meter-long curving water slide, resembling a mountain peak from a classic cowboy movie. This fun-filled attraction ends in an exhilarating splashdown in the piano pool. They also have a hot tub, which is a nice touch. After a full day of walking at Disneyland, you can go for a nice soak to unwind. The pool and hot tub are open late until 10 p.m. if you want to go for a night swim or relaxing soak. Disney's Hollywood Hotel offers a couple of dining experiences. When you check in, they will give you coupons which you can use at the restaurants. Ink and Plate is an international buffet restaurant inspired by Disney's legendary ink and paint department. The restaurant's design celebrates Disney's animated movies, creating a fun dining experience. Guests can enjoy a wide selection of dishes, including Asian and Western cuisine, with options like dumplings, noodles, bacon and eggs, an Indian section, sushis, sashimis, and a variety of desserts. The price for the buffet is $788 Hong Kong for adults and $588 Hong Kong for children. While dining, you can take pictures with your favorite Disney characters. We did the breakfast here twice. They are also open for dinner. We loved the dumplings, and our niece and nephew loved the chocolate donuts. It gave them lots of energy for a fun day at Disneyland. The Archivist is a Marvel-themed dining venue that celebrates thrilling moments from some of the Marvel's biggest films. Guests can savor delightful drinks and delicious dishes in a sophisticated ambience. The menu includes a variety of Western-style comfort foods and specialty cocktails, making it a great spot for fans of Marvel Universe. The food here was really good. We loved our stay here at Hollywood Hotel in Hong Kong Disneyland. The location was great. The shuttle to Disneyland Park was free, quick and convenient. Our room was nice, clean and comfortable. The pool, hot tub and water slides were awesome. We liked how it was open late until 10 p.m. It was the perfect way to end a long day of walking. The breakfast buffet was perfect. It was also nice to have bacon, eggs and pancakes for the kids as we went with our niece and nephew. While the dining options at Disney Hotel are really good, food prices can be on the higher side, and the availability of quick service option is limited. Overall, it is a great hotel to stay at during your Disneyland experience. It is also a short train ride away when you want to explore Hong Kong City. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy this walking tour of the entire resort. Until next time, let's go and get lost!
给他拍一下，往前走啊。
新港绿色升降机上勾二。As requested, the fifth floor. No.